Yeah, I got this yesterday. It is a Earthquake Viper 38CS or 38cc for short over here. Bought it off a guy who used it just once, just to cut up a tree, and then that was it. He put it away for a long time. End of story. Long story short, then again, I took this off his hands because he didn't need it no more, and now I own it. So guess what? We're gonna do a nice cold start on it. Well, not really cold start. It's like mild. I'm trying to find. I'm gonna try something. I got headphones here because she's kind of loud. Oh, crap. There. That one. I don't know how much you're gonna be able to see up here. There's 60. Oh, that's fine. I'm hair done. Anyway, here's what you gotta do. Flip it on, pull the choke out all the way, prime it, gotta push the little button that I'm pushing 5 times. Then, all you gotta do is just pull. How's that? That thing just started. That thing took a couple of pulls, a lot of pulls. But she started up. New, fresh chain on there. Hardly ever been used. I've been using it for a little bit. But anyway, yeah. What I'm gonna be doing with this thing back here, the thing I'm not gonna be named. Oh yeah, that I took that cover off to get into this right here. Well, see that? That's the old fan. Chewed up. Started bending this back to where it was because this is the for the hydrostat, which the hydrostat lever is right there. But anyway, what I was trying to do is see this thing. This thing right here, the one that I'm grabbing on, moving around. Well, that is another part that I'm gonna need along with the fan, because look, it's chewed up. But this thing will turns quite nice if you ask me. Oh, this thing runs quite nice if you ask me. But anyway, this is what happened over here with the brake. See that brake lever down there? See that? That right there is the safety switch for the brake. When that thing got off, it was supposed to go over here, but it's bent. See, it's kind of bent bad. So I'm gonna have to get another one. These things. That means I gotta take like. Or I can just probably. Can I just weld a tab on there? I think you can weld a tab on there. I'm gonna weld a tab on there. But anyway, that's how bad it is. Got the pulley a little bit back there, as you can. Yeah, I got the pulley a little bit, but not that much bad. But yeah, I gotta get new tires for the front because see, it's going flat. Keeps going flat on me. Either that, or I'm just gonna get inner tubes because both of them are now going flat. So yeah. Yeah, that's it. I just want to do a cold start on the new chainsaw, and I wanted to show you what's going on in there. I got the new part today that excuse me, that I needed. So yeah, we should be good there. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.